Hey everyone, so today I'm back with an unboxing video to share and open up with you guys. I'm sure you can already tell by the title what I'm about to show you, so let's just get straight into it and open this up. So just a little FYI on delivery time, I placed my order on May 1st and today is, what is today? May 7th, so it took about a week to get, which is not bad at all. So it comes packaged like that. You guys saw the paper. So here's the box that it comes in. Super tiny, and then it just has the information of what the planner is in the front. Then this is the actual box that it comes in. So it's a box within a box. And I'm gonna adjust the lighting as well because I really want to try to capture its true color. I am super excited. I've seen so many posts on this on Instagram, and I don't know, I kind of had mixed feelings about it because I wasn't sure what its true color was. So I'm really hoping it's what I think it is. So, all right, let's take this off here. This is super, super pretty. I'm gonna try to not capture like the glare. So really quick before I get into the planner, I kind of wanted to show you guys the color that they have posted on the actual website. So this is Filofax USA, and I'm gonna just zoom in so you guys can see, and I hope this color comes up how it is in person. I don't know if it is, but actually it's a little bit, I'm gonna adjust it really quick. So to me, this is what the color looks like in person, or at least on my phone. So let's compare, and I'm just gonna leave it on this setting here with the lighting so you guys can tell. So let me take off the cover first so you don't get the glare. So in person, this is the true color, and I hope the camera is picking it up. It's definitely darker than what they have posted on their website, and of course I was expecting this color, but don't get me wrong, I still love this. It's really, really nice. It's more on the taupe-ish side, and yeah, it's definitely a color that I really like, so I don't mind it at all. But for sure, I thought it would be more on like the lighter gray side. But again, it's really, really nice. It feels really soft. It feels like, you know, like a Malden. I've had an ochre Malden in the pocket size as well. And it feels very similar. So yeah, let's do a 360 of it. So here is the front. Here's the spine, the back, the opening. Here's the top, the bottom, and the stitching and everything looks really nice and clean as well, so that's perfect. The clasp is really nice too, like the closure, it's very smooth, or you know, it's easy to open. All right, so let's open this up here, and oh, first thing I see is this. Okay, that's just a little dust, I guess, but it's the same thing as all the other pocket Maldens. They have the same pockets with the zipper. You have a full length pocket here. So there's 1, 2, 3. Let's check out the rings. And they are in perfect condition. Look at the back as well. So you have your pocket here, your pocket on this part right here, and then your main pocket in the back. Of course, they have your pen loop. So let's get into the inserts. So of course it has the flyleaf here, comes with 6 dividers, and the inserts are actually in cotton cream, which is really nice, but I kind of wish that they came with white. I don't know, I kind of like white better with this shade. And the ruler is brown, and I kind of wish they had the frosted one with this. So there you have that, and then it comes with a few to-do lists. We also have lined paper, some grid blank for the contacts, and of course it comes with the colored lined paper in blue, green, pink. And then this is, again, I don't know if I mentioned, but it is a 2019 planner, so it starts from, let's see, December 31st, and then it ends on January 1st, of 2020. So there you have that. And it's really nice because the inserts are, or the boxes are equally portioned out. So that's a plus. So let's skip over to that. And then the last thing you get is the top open envelope. And this actually feels a little bit different than before, the one that they used to put in their older planners. This one feels a little bit more on like the rubbery side. It feels nice though. So that, and that's basically it. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this. I kind of wish that it was a little bit more on the gray side, but nonetheless, it is a really nice planner. I'll definitely use it and move into it and everything. So I'll definitely do an updated video on it of how I set it up and everything, because I kind of started and purchased other inserts as well to add in here. So I'll show you guys how that will turn out. But yeah, so if you guys are interested, definitely check out filofaxusa.com or also Filofax UK. They also have them available. I'll link all the information for you guys if you want to check it out. If you have any questions, always feel free to leave a comment or message me and I'll get back to you guys. So thank you guys. Hope you found this helpful. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.